Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Oh, man, what are you doing? Well, one's, a lot of you have probably never seen this. So you're thinking, well, this is like some sort of, yeah, you can tell it's a gas grill. But this is a product from Char Broil. Now, everybody's probably heard of the Big Easy. Now, this was the big brother of the Big Easy. You still find them around. Technically, they're not made anymore, although I have seen them in various places. This is called the Big Easy Smoker Roaster Grill. So it's larger than the regular Big Easy, but it has a grill grate, so you can grill. And if you're wondering what that's a smoker box, so you can put wood chips or pellets in there and smoke in it. This thing is an awesome grill, and unfortunately, Char Broil stopped making them because I don't think a lot of people really appreciated what they could do. Now, I've had this one for a long time now, and it sits outside all the time, so she's got a little rust on it, but she's still very much capable of cooking up. And I've got some onion brats, folks. I'll tell you what, it's raining tonight. It's about 40 degrees. The wind is howling, and this is going to be my go-to tonight. So I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at those onion brats and get them on the Big Easy Smoker Roaster Grill. All right, so there's the brats I'm going to make. I found these summer, and I bought a whole bunch of them, put them in the freezer, and I tell you what, I had such a hankering for them. So this is brats that got onions in it, and it's made by a company. I'm from the Wisconsin area, and this is Usingers, which is from Wisconsin since 1880. This stuff is, I'll tell you what, their brats are awesome, but brats and onion, they also have a Cajun one too that I've done, and they're very good too, but I had such a hankering for these tonight. So what we're going to do on the Big Easy, we're going to sear them, and then we're going to put them in a pan with a little bit of beer. And we don't have to put any onions in them because the onions are in the brats. And then we're just going to cook them until they're done. And I'll tell you what, let's get it on the Big Easy. Oh, man, folks, I'll tell you what, it hasn't been about 5 minutes. This thing cooks. It's amazing how fast it cooks. And I can smell the onion. It is just making my stomach I can't. Oh, man, I'll tell you what, let's take a quick look here. I did flip them already. Look at that. And you can hear them sizzling away there. I just want to get them browned up before I put them in the beer. Folks, this is going to be fantastic. If you're looking for some other ideas on what to cook on the Big Easy, remember this is the Big Easy Smoker Roaster Grill, but I also have the Big Easy, and I'll promise you folks in the next week or so, I'll cook on the Big Easy and show you that too. But if there's another guy out there, his name is Big Lou from Big Lou Barbecue, has got a great YouTube channel, and he just broke 10,000 subscribers. And he cooks on the Big Easy also. So I'll leave the link down below to Big Lou's channel. Folks, make sure you check him out. All right, folks, they're in a beer, and I just gave it a quick flip. I was amazed how fast the beer started to boil. So look at that. Oh, man, I'll tell you what. That's going to be good eating right there, folks. Keep on watching. I'll give you a look-see once they are plated up. Nice-looking brats. Wow. Oh, man, there's our onion brats right there. I've got some brioche hot dog buns. Brioche, that's pretty fancy dancy. Got a little sear there. Got them browned up on the smoker roaster grill from Char Broil. And then I'll tell you what, folks, if you can find this stuff, the Secret Stadium sauce is awesome. Let's take a little taste test here, shall we? Mm-hmm. That reminds me, I'm in heaven right now. Onion brats, I'll tell you what. Who'd have thunk that would have been any good? But it is. It's awesome. Secret Stadium sauce is awesome too. Tom Horseman YouTube, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.